Listify demo and bonuses. Welcome to my Listify demo. I'm going to show you the bonuses that I'm giving away for buying Listify through my link, which is below this video. And you can also read my full review if you click the link below the top link, so the second link. Alright, so Listify is a collection of 20 WordPress plugins that you can use to build your email list, or you can even add these plugins to a membership website. So use them as you please. 20 plugins for WordPress, going on sale 17th of October at 11 AM EST, which is on this Thursday. Listify is for you if you want to build a list and you want to offer something better than low quality PLR ebooks. The pricing starts at $27, and there are a range of upsells and downsells, for which you can see the pricing there. Now, to get a hold of Listify plus all of my bonuses, you have to click on the link below the video that you're watching now, and you will be taken through to this page on my website to my Listify review. Just click on any of these orange buttons and you will get to buy Listify, providing you go there after the launch time has started. Okay, so let's have a look at the bonuses that I'm giving away for buying Listify through my link below the video. Alright, in bonus number 1 is my own bonus. It's a buyer's list building hack training video. It's a very quick hack and it's very useful in your online business. Number 2 is how to build a squeeze page with lead magnet and an opt-in form. That's an over my shoulder video training. Bonus number 3, 100 free tools for digital marketers. This is a list that I've compiled over the last 4.5 years. Bonus number 4 is my own Instagram optimization checklist. I did all the steps in this checklist and I increased the amount of new followers I got by up to 3,000 new followers on one Instagram account every month. Bonus number 5, how to start a profitable blog from scratch. Another video training there. Fuego multiplier is number 6, and the follow-up to that training, which is by Brendan Mace and John O. Armstrong, by the way. Fuego multiplier and Fuego breakout, step-by-step video training there. The lost code, video training again. More video training, the secret weapon by John O. Armstrong. This is video training 0-hour work days by Brendan Mace. That's bonus number 10. Bonus number 11 is Lindgren's Lazy Method, which is a YouTube formula. El Bandito is number 12. Incognito is number 13. Rakin is number 14. Lots of awesome video trainings. Bonus number 15, Bang Bang Profits by Brendan Mace, another video training. The Awakening, there, another video training. Tons and tons of high quality trainings included as bonuses when you buy Listify through my link. Bonus number 17, Commission Blueprint by Glyn Koski. Bonus number 18, List Building on Steroids, another Brendan Mace training there. 19 is how to write headlines and subject lines that sell. Bonus number 20 is 10k a month online case study. Bonus 21, easy passive paydays. 22, Bing Ads course, full campaign walkthrough by John O. Armstrong. My top secret bonus, an invite to the entrepreneur's place where I learned affiliate marketing from scratch. I've been there 4.5 years, so I know my way around, and you can get one-on-one help from me inside of there. It's free to join and get started. Bonus number 24, a complete A to Z launch jacking campaign walkthrough. Number 25, how to get unique content on your pages without writing a single word yourself. Bonus number 26, how to find hot selling items to sell on your e-commerce store. Bonus 27, 10x commissions. Bonus number 28, 5-figure freedom. Okay, right now I'm going to hand you over to the product creator of Listify to show us a demo of Listify in action. Don't forget to pick up Listify through my link below this video. Come through to this page at the right time on Thursday the 17th of October and pick up Listify by clicking on one of these links, and you can grab all of your bonuses inside of your Warrior Plus account once you pick up your copy of Listify. You will find your bonuses by clicking on the blue button once you access your purchase inside Warrior. Alright, Michael Thomas is now going to give us a demo of Listify in action. So take it away, Mike.
Hey, it's Michael Thomas, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started with Listify. So let's get going. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is connect up your autoresponder account by clicking on the Accounts menu. So here you can just connect any number of different types of autoresponder accounts. I've got an ActiveCampaign, an Aweber, and an HTML form-based autoresponder account. You can connect up any type you want by clicking on Connect New, and you'll get this list right here. Now, once you've done that, to actually use Listify, all you need to do is click on the Packages menu, and you get access to all 20 plugins. That's both the regular and plus packages. So there are 20 of them total. And for each of these, you can either download a configured plugin with your opt-in form embedded in it. You can link to the landing page, which you can just direct people directly at that. And you can also get box art that you can use to promote these plugins as well. So, for example, if I clicked on landing page, here I get a pop-up where I can just select the account that I want people to be subscribed to when they download the plugin from this landing page. I'll just use my primary autoresponder, and if I click on landing page, you can see it pops open a landing page. So now if I sent anyone to this page and they download this plugin, they will be added to my autoresponder account. So I'll show you how that works just by doing it as if I was a regular person using it. So I'm just downloading this plugin called Affiliate Coupons. I'll just save it to my downloads folder. And if I were to install this on a WordPress site, I've just got a demo site here, I'll just add this plugin just like any old normal plugin. Just upload it like so, and activate the plugin. And you can see as soon as I go to activate the plugin, I get prompted with this opt-in page. And you can see I'm actually blocked from being able to use the plugin. If I ever try to actually access the plugin, I just see this opt-in page. And as soon as I opt in, I'll just put in my email address here. As soon as I opt in, of course, I can access the plugin completely as normal. And of course, when I did that, my email address was added onto my list. So anyone who you distribute this plugin to will be added to your list just like so when they go to install the plugin on their site. So that's how you can use it with the landing page. And what you can also do is just download the plugin by exactly the same means, just like so, by selecting your account and list if your autoresponder has multiple lists, clicking download, and you can save that plugin wherever you want to, and then you can upload it to your website, or you can share it on Facebook, or you can send it around on a USB stick. It doesn't really matter what you do with it, but whenever anyone goes to install it on their WordPress site, they will have to opt into your list in order to use the plugin. So that's exactly how Listify works.
Thanks, Mike, for that demo of Listify. Well, okay, thank you for watching my Listify demo and bonuses. Remember to pick up your bonuses by clicking through and visiting this website, clicking on any of the links within this page, any of the links below the video actually, and you'll still get your bonuses. Once you're inside Warrior Plus, click on Access Affiliate Bonus or whatever it says in there, and you can get your main purchase, which would be Listify, in there. And of course there's all the vendor bonuses included. Okay, so thanks for watching my Listify demo and bonuses. I'll see you again in the next video.